Hi guys, it was a photo shoot day. I just got back home. Really tiring. So obviously have some makeup on that I'm going to now remove with the help of a makeup remover. But what about my lips? Why do I say that? Just imagine, how much do we put our lips through, especially my model and actor friends. We keep wearing makeup like lipstick, lip balm, the touch-ups, the retouches, and the harsh conditions that we put them through like dust, dirt, grime, pollution, shooting lights, harsh winds sometimes. Sometimes we keep wearing masks that is in fact a breeding ground for bacteria buildup. And what about the remnants of the tea, coffee, food that we consume throughout the day? That in fact get deposited on the corner of our lips, in our lip cracks, on our lip lines, which does nothing but causes dullness, dryness and pigmentation. So how do I combat these issues? Well, I wash my lips with ALANNA lip wash. You heard that right, a lip wash. So what does ALANNA lip wash do? Well, it comes with some special actives that first of all boost hydration. They gently remove whatever there is on your lips and combat pigmentation. Let me show you how. First of all, watch how gorgeous this small bottle is. I mean, it's a doll, isn't it? So you remove this thing and here there are some silicone bristles that you're going to brush your lips with. It also comes with a dedicated brush. Here it is. This is a silicone brush that you can kind of scrub your lips with to get fresh skin, to remove the dead skin basically. Now we are going to gently squeeze out some foam. Yes, that's it. We're ready to wash our lips, guys. Super. And it sort of goes without saying that we can use this silicone brush to get some extra scrubbing. So guys, after I have scrubbed my lips, I have washed them with water and they're absolutely ready for the next step of TLC, which is ALANNA's Lip Warrior. ALANNA Lip Balm. This combats pigmentation, by the way. So you obviously take desired quantity and you apply it like you would a lip balm. Man, my lips feel so smooth and so soft, you have to touch them to believe it, which you can't. Bye.